Hey guys, Spiffy Toys Channel here. Today we're gonna help Elsa make Anna a giant birthday cake. We have some plates and molds for little cakes. Here are some birthday candles. This is the extruder. We have a little knife and fork and a roller. This Play-Doh set comes with yellow Play-Doh, purple Play-Doh, blue Play-Doh, and 2 cans of Play-Doh Plus, pink and green. Achoo! Snuggies! Elsa's got a cold, and her sneeze made some snuggies. Cake, 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 cake! We'll need to make them some cake first before they go crazy. Let's use this mold for the little cake. I have some extra blue Play-Doh. Press. Time to decorate the cake. Let's use some purple Play-Doh. Yellow Play-Doh. Yummy ice cream cone. It's a little cupcake. Croissant and pretzel. Blue and yellow mixed together. Mix green. It's a turtle. Time to use some Play-Doh Plus to put frosting onto the cake. Surprise! Wow! Well guys, thanks for watching my video and stay tuned for lots more Frozen and Play-Doh here on Spiffy Toys Channel.